Lesson Plan 21 Part 2 continued. Click on the arrow icon in browser pane to browse for image file. Select the image file and drag and drop it onto the sequencer. Now click on Transform in the RHS. You will see three options. First is position, second is scale, and third is rotation. You can change the position of the image by changing the values in X and Y tab. With 0 as reference for center, we can move the image right side by entering positive values. Also, we can move the image leftwards by entering negative values in the X tab. Similarly, we can change the position of the image by entering positive and negative values in the Y tab. To move the image upwards, enter positive values, and to move the image downwards, enter negative values. We can scale up or scale down the image by changing the values in the Scale X and Y tab. To scale down, decrease the current value, and to scale up, increase the current value. Finally, to rotate the image, scroll down to Rotate tab. Here you can enter the degree by which you wish to rotate the image. Positive values will rotate the image leftwards. Negative values will rotate the image rightwards. Also, you can use the slider for wider range of adjustment of the above parameters. End of Lesson Plan 21. Thank you.